What's up, you guys? I'm back with another blind bag. I don't know which one it is. There's this really cute parrot and the rainbow bear, which is really cool. So I wonder which one I get. Let's open it. I'm so excited. There we go. Oh, it is this really cute bird. She's all peach colored, a really cute yellow beak, super cute dark blue eyes. She is such a cute little bird. It says LPS right there. Most of the pets right now have those. Let's see what number she is. She is number, let's see, here she is, 2594. She's so cute. Bye, guys.